Everyone wants to be data-driven, but not everyone trusts the data. And very often, it's because setting up tracking can seem daunting, requiring significant time and resources. Today, we'll learn how you can streamline the process, ensuring that you're not just collecting data, but able to trust it to make informed decisions. Traditionally, when it comes to tracking in mobile apps, each user interaction you want to track, be it a swipe, a tap, or a purchase, needs to be sent as an event to your analytics dashboard via APIs. This process involves defining what to track, coding the event into the app, and ensuring the data is sent correctly every time the event occurs. While this sounds straightforward, the complexity multiplies with the number of interactions you wish to track. Each event requires careful planning, coding, and testing, which can quickly drain your team's time and resources. Moreover, this manual approach increases the risk of errors, from mislabeled events to missed interactions, leading to data that may not accurately reflect user behavior. Given the complexities and potential pitfalls of manual event tracking, it's clear that a smarter approach is needed. This is where solutions like smart events and Autocapture come into play. They automate the tracking process. This not only saves significant time and resources, but also ensures a higher degree of data accuracy and reliability. With these tools, you can trust the data, knowing that every crucial interaction is being captured and analyzed, setting the stage for informed decision-making. Let's put this into perspective with a real-world scenario. Imagine you're running an e-commerce app and you want to track every purchase made. With traditional event tracking, you need to manually code the purchase event, test it, and hope you've captured every variable involved. Now, let's switch gears to Smart Analytics tracking solution. The moment you integrate it, the system automatically logs your user interactions, and you can create your events in a few seconds. Now let's dive into the practical steps of setting up smart events using UXCam, focusing on our earlier example of tracking a purchase event. First, log into your UXCam dashboard. To capture a purchase event, simply go to a recorded session where a user taps to make a purchase. On the session timeline, you'll find this exact interaction. Click the little plus button next to it and turn it into an event. Name it, save it, and just like that, you've set up a crucial event without adding a single line of code. Dashboards are the heart of analytics in UXCam, providing a bird's eye view of various metrics and trends at a glance. Think of a dashboard as your cockpit, where you're guided into making the right decisions and can manage the health and performance of your app in real time. By incorporating smart events like our purchase event into the dashboard, you're not just tracking transactions, you're gaining insight into user behavior, their preferences, and potential pain points. With your smart events set up, the next step is to leverage them within UXCam's dashboards for deeper insights. Here's how. Start by selecting the smart event you created. Click on Analyze Event to delve into the data. To create a new dashboard focused on this event, choose New Dashboard. You can then add various reports to this dashboard, tailoring it to monitor the KPIs that matter most to you, such as conversion rates or user engagement levels. Each report can be customized and previewed, ensuring you get the exact insights you need. Once you're satisfied, add them to your dashboard. And that's it. You have a powerful reporting setup ready to inform your strategy with real user data. Beyond dashboards, funnels help you visualize the user's journey through specific paths in your app, from initial engagement to final action, like making a purchase. By setting up funnels, you can pinpoint where users drop off and find opportunities for improvement. This level of insight helps boost user experiences and conversion rates. Setting up a funnel in UXCam is really intuitive. First, head over to the Funnels page within UXCam. Here you'll find a handy Suggestions feature, designed to streamline funnel setup. Click on Suggestions, and UXCam will automatically assist you in setting up the funnels based on common user paths. Now, select a purchase event, like Add to Cart as your focal point. With the event selected, hit Get Funnels. UXCam then analyzes data to suggest the most common paths users take leading up to your event. Review these suggested paths and choose View Funnel for the one that gets the best matches your analysis needs. Finally, create your funnel with the selected path and you're all set. Now that the funnel's set up, it's ready to provide you with the invaluable insights into your user's journey. Retention analytics is a powerful tool that measures how well your app retains users after their initial visit. It's not just about getting users to download your app, it's about keeping them engaged, ensuring they return time and time again. This is crucial because it highlights user satisfaction, loyalty, and the overall value your app provides. In retention reports, understanding the start action and return action is key to analyzing user engagement effectively. The start action marks the initial interaction a user has with your app, such as signing up or downloading the app. This is the first step in their journey and sets the baseline for measuring retention. The return action, on the other hand, signifies a subsequent significant interaction, indicating that the user has found value in your app and has returned to engage further. This could be making a purchase, completing a level in a game, or any action that reflects continued interest and engagement. By tracking these actions in a retention report, you gain insights into how many users return after their initial interaction and what drives them back, providing valuable data to inform strategies to improve user retention and satisfaction. Now, let's set up a retention report. Navigate to the retention section in UXCam and start by creating a new report. In this example, we're going to select Sign Up Successful as the start action to capture the beginning of a user journey. Then we choose Purchase Completed as the return action to see how users come back to making a purchase, indicating a strong retention. You can also group users into cohorts to dig deeper into your analysis. Once you configure these settings and save your report, UXCam generates a detailed retention table, allowing you to dissect and understand user behavior over different periods and surface retention patterns. Screens and heat maps in UXCam offer a visual understanding of how users interact with your app's interface. Heat maps aggregate user interactions on a screen, such as taps, swipes, and scrolls, displaying them in a color-coded format. The warmer the color, the higher the concentration of interactions, making it easy to identify hotspots of user activity. To unlock the huge benefits of screens and heat maps in UXCam, start by tagging screens. You can do this manually within UXCam or with code, even renaming them for clarity. Once your screens are tagged, navigate to the specific screen where an event of interest occurred. Here you'll dive into the heat map analysis, focusing on areas where users frequently tap, indicating high engagement. But why stop there? Examine the last gestures made on these screens to identify potential distractions or issues leading users away from the intended action. UXCam also provides the option to segment the data further, such as by device type or specific user gestures, offering a granular view of user interaction and behavior. Moving forward, let's discuss the importance of segmentation and how it can be utilized to gain more granular insights into user behavior. Segmentation is a powerful feature that allows you to dissect your user data. By segmenting users based on specific criteria, like user behavior, device type, or demographics, you can uncover tailored insights that might be lost in a broader analysis. Here's how you can leverage segmentation in UXCam. Start by clicking the Add Filter section and apply filters based on the criteria you're interested in. For instance, you might want to look at users who completed the purchase event from a specific type of device. While filters help you refine the data, you want to analyze, segment, and take it a step further so you can save these filters and share them with your team. Once you create a segment, you can easily access it anytime without recreating the same filter criteria over and over. This enables you to apply a laser-focused lens on your data, allowing you to understand and cater to the unique needs of different user groups, ultimately enhancing the user experience and app performance. Now we've explored how to set up comprehensive tracking for your mobile app, from smart event tracking and dashboard customization to the intricacies of funnel analytics, retention reports, and the power of segmentation. These tools are your gateway to truly understanding and enhancing your app's user experience. But our journey doesn't end here. In our next lesson, we'll take all that we've learned and apply it to a concrete example, showing you exactly how to leverage these insights to make meaningful improvements to your app.